Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this fishtail updo. I've left a few pieces of hair out around the face just to soften the look. First of all, we're going to section off the front of the hair, so take your comb and run it from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip this out of the way for later. And then just repeat this on the opposite side of the head. Split the hair in half and just secure each side with a clear elastic band so you're left with two ponytails. Make a hole behind the elastic band with your fingers and pass the ponytail up to your fingers and pull it through so you've got yourself a little twist. And then just repeat this on the opposite side of the head. Apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below. And then just pinch and pull at the hair to loosen everything up a little bit. Add some more texture spray to that ponytail on the right hand side, and we're just going to create a simple fishtail braid. So to do this, we're going to split the hair in half, and then using your fingers on each side, we're just going to section out a tiny section of hair from the left, pass it over to the right hand strand, and then section off a tiny piece of hair on the right hand side and pass it over to the left hand strand. So take a very small piece of hair on the left hand side and pass it over to join the right hand side, and then take a piece on the right hand side and pass it over to join the left hand side. Carry on braiding for a few inches, and then we're just going to use our fingers to pinch and pull at the braid so it's nice and messy. Carry on braiding the hair till you reach the bottom, and don't forget to stop every few inches to pinch and pull. And then just repeat this on the left hand side. Now, taking hold of that left hand braid, we're just going to tuck it into the hole in the top of the braid where we made that twist on the right hand side. So just post that through the hole and secure with a bobby pin. And then we're going to do the same for the right hand braid, so take it over to that little twist hole at the top. Pop the ends in and just secure with another couple of bobby pins. Release those front sections and we're just going to do a fishtail braid. Apply some texture spray. Don't forget to stop every few inches to pinch and pull apart the braid so it's nice and voluminous. Make sure you angle this braid towards the back of the head. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. So take that braid on the right hand side and drape it across the little bun we've just made, and then use a bobby pin just to anchor it into the top right and top left hand side. Take the ends, wrap them round a bobby pin and then just tuck them underneath the braids. And then we're just going to take the left hand braid, drape it across to the right hand side, and we're just going to secure it with a bobby pin on the left hand side to keep it secure. And then we're going to secure it on the right hand side, and again wrap the ends around a bobby pin and just tuck them under the braid so you can't see them. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.